This is zip code 80109 in Highlands Ranch, one of the most established residential areas in Douglas County. This zip consistently plays a meaningful role in South Metro housing activity. For Realtors, 80109 matters because it represents a mature, well-understood market. Client conversations here are shaped more by structure and pricing discipline than by volatility. Zip code 80109 sits on the western side of Highlands Ranch. Its proximity to preserved open space helps define how this zip behaves over time. On a Highlands Ranch home value map, 80109 appears among the higher-priced residential zips. That positioning reflects lot size, neighborhood build-out, and limited nearby development. When you zoom into 80109, the development pattern is largely complete. Most activity here comes from resale, not new construction. The zip borders protected land and trail systems near Chatfield. That adjacency reduces the likelihood of rapid supply expansion. Home values in 80109 accelerated during the 2020 to 2022 cycle. That growth followed a long period of steadier appreciation. After the peak, prices showed modest softening rather than sharp declines. This zip tends to adjust through time and negotiation before price. Compared to newer growth zips, price movement here is typically less volatile. Established neighborhoods often absorb change more gradually. Year over year, pricing in 80109 has flattened compared to peak years. That signals normalization rather than reversal. Days on market have increased from historic lows. Buyers are taking more time to evaluate options. The share of listings with price reductions has risen. This reflects seller recalibration more than demand collapse. Together, these metrics point to a more balanced market. Leverage now shifts based on pricing accuracy and condition. Affordability in 80109 is shaped by higher price points and ownership costs. Taxes, insurance, and financing all influence buyer behavior. This zip remains largely owner-occupied. That limits investor-driven volatility. If zip-level breakdowns like this help you understand what is really happening locally, subscribing can keep you grounded in data instead of headlines. Each analysis focuses on one zip at a time so you can track changes that actually affect your decisions. Buyers in 80109 face less urgency than during peak years. Inspection and pricing conversations are more common again. Sellers benefit from neighborhood desirability. Outcomes now depend more on preparation and pricing discipline. For Realtors, this zip rewards expectation setting and micro-level comps. Success here comes from clarity, not speed. Zip code 80109 is served by the Douglas County School District. Schools are long established and integrated into neighborhood planning. The area connects directly to Highlands Ranch open space and trail networks. Outdoor access is a defining feature of this ZIP. Residents have access to multiple Highlands Ranch recreation centers. These facilities support year-round community use. Retail and services cluster along nearby commercial corridors. Most are designed to serve local residents rather than regional traffic. Zip code 80109 functions as a mature, supply-constrained market. Its behavior is shaped more by structure than by short-term cycles. Understanding this zip requires looking at how pricing, time on market, and reductions interact together. That zip-level view provides clearer context than citywide averages.